Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the Superbox S4 Pro no sound issue. So let's get started. The solution number one is check connections. Ensure that all the cables between the Superbox 4 and the TV are firmly plugged in and secure. Ensure the power cable is securely connected to the Superbox 4. Sometimes a loose connection can cause the sound problems or issues. The solution number two is reboot the Superbox 4. Unplug the Superbox 4 from the power source. Leave it unplugged for about a minute. Plug the Superbox 4 back in. Restarting the device can help you to resolve the software glitches that may be causing the sound problem. The solution number three is check the TV settings. Confirm the TV volume is not muted or set too low. Navigate to the TV's audio settings to ensure the volume is at an audible level. Check that the audio output is correctly set to the TV. The solution number four is factory reset. If necessary, press the dot, period, and zero buttons on your remote control. At the same time, continue pressing these buttons for 5 minutes until the device begins the factory reset process. Wait for the device to erase all the data, which may take a few minutes. Once the reset is complete, the device will reboot and reinstall the preloaded apps. Solution. And the solution number five is you can contact the Superbox customer support team for any kind of complaints which you are facing. You can also send a mail to them. You can also contact them through the phone. Okay, so here you can enter your name, email ID, phone number, and your message. Once you type all the details, you can send a message to them. So the backend technical team, they will get back to you and they will resolve the issue. Okay, so you can also do a chat with them where they offer 24 hours chat support. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.